What's up, guys? Jim here. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody is having a great day. One of the most common questions I get asked is, what is the best or most effective way to use CBD? And right after that, people always ask me, what is, or how do I use CBD? So I wanted to make a quick video and just kind of explain my theory or my thoughts on the topic. When it comes to explaining to people what the best way to use CBD is, or what the most effective product to use is, it really comes down to what works best for you. And by that I mean, everybody's different. And I've had people tell me that sublingual drops work okay, but edibles or a vape works better. And I've had other people tell me that vape works okay, but sublingual drops are a godsend. So trial and error is going to be your best friend, and you're going to have to, hopefully, without going through too much trial and too much error, find a product that works perfect to, for whatever, to suit whatever need it is that you're trying to solve by using a CBD product, whether it's supplementally, adding a little bit of cannabinoids to your system to keep everything chill, or if you have an acute problem that you're trying to solve with the CBD product. It may take a little bit of time for you to try one here and then try this, do a little bit A/B test and find the product that you're going to use that's going to be the right one for you. And sooner or later, you're going to notice, okay, when I vape, it hit me one way, but when I take an edible or when I put a drop into my tongue, it hit me completely different. So you're going to know that that's the way that you're going to want to go. And for me, what I've noticed is the most effective way, the way I'm most comfortable with using CBD, and that is smoking it. And what I do is I take a dab, I mix my THC and my CBD and my CBG all in one by taking a dab of a very high quality THC concentrate. I scoop it out, and then I take that scoop and dunk it into a jar of CBD and CBG isolate that I keep mixed together. And the reason I keep those mixed together is because once I have the THC concentrate on the dabber, if I go into the CBD first, it's completely coated. The outside is completely coated, so that when I go into the CBG, it's not sticky, and barely any of the CBG sticks on, or vice versa for the two isolates. So I get all three of those together on one, what I call a drumstick, and then I heat up a quartz nail. A quartz nail is an attachment that goes onto a pipe or a bong, turns it into a vape specific or a concentrate specific utensil, if you will. And then I dab my combination of THC, CBD, and CBG all in one hit. Inhale, exhale, and within nanoseconds after exhaling, I can feel the effects of the THC and the CBD. I know the difference between the two. I know how both of them affect me, and I love it. I like the combination. I'm a firm believer in the entourage effect, which is a topic we'll cover in a different video. And for me, again, it's just the best way. I medicate probably 3 or 4 times a day. The effects don't last as long as if I was eating an edible, or if I was dropping some CBD drops or some CBG drops under my tongue. But for me, it's my preferred way of adding extra cannabinoids into my system. So I hope this helps you guys a little bit when it comes to deciding what's the most effective way for you guys to move forward with CBD or CBG or any other cannabinoid. If you've got any questions, comments, complaints, as usual, use the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.